Subscribe to Technotics Robotics channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications of the new videos instantly. Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, I have shown you how you can make a logo for your YouTube channel, but it was with the background photo. So some of the people have commented that they don't want a logo with the background photo. So in this video, I will show you how to make a logo without the background photo from your smartphone. In this video, I will also show you how to make an intro for your YouTube channel. So friends, my name is Kapil and you're watching Technotics Robotics. So let's get started. So friends, for this purpose, you are going to download two applications. One is PixArts, another is KineMaster. PixArts we will use for making logo and KineMaster for intro. So first of all, we are going to make a logo. So go into your PixArts. There we are going to go into edit. And then select an empty page. So friends, now I will show you how to make a logo. So please follow the method exactly perfect. Okay.
Up on the dance floor tonight. I got two left feet and a bottle of red wine, making me feel like the beat in the bassline are in my blood, both hands up on a waistline. Get on up, baby, dance to the rhythm of the music. Don't care what the DJ chooses. Get lost in the rhythm of me. Place don't close until we wanna leave it. You and I were flying on an aeroplane tonight. We're going somewhere where the sun is shining bright. Just close your eyes and let's pretend we're dancing in the street in Barcelona. 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 Get up on the dance floor, move. It's a Saturday night. I fell in love with the sparkle in the moonlight, reflected in your beautiful eyes. I guess that is destiny doing it right, and dance like they do in the Mediterranean, spinning you around me again and again. You're like something the God has sent me. I want you, baby.
So friends, this is how a logo can be created. Now we are just going to save it in our gallery. So friends, this is how you can make a logo. So the next is we are going to make a intro for our YouTube channel. So let's go into the KineMaster. So friends, now you are going to open your KineMaster. There you have to make an empty project. In the empty project, go into media browser and make a background photo. So the background layer will be you have to choose as white. Okay. Now make a layer. In the layer, we will add the image which we have created from PixArts. So fit it properly. Okay. Now we are going to add add the name of our YouTube channel from the text. Okay. Now from here we have to change the color. So make it black and off the shadow. Okay, now we are going to add the audio to this. So select the audio which you have preferred as to make your intro. Okay, now as I already trimmed it, so you have to trim that video from the left side. Now let's see, does it work or not. In the end, you can see the voice is little fading out. So we will just make it fade out off and fade in on, and make it 50 to 25 seconds. Okay, 1 minute, 175 seconds. Okay, now let's see, is our project created or not. As you can see, our project is completely created, and from here, as you can see the three dots, from there you can make the video save into your gallery. Okay friends, this is how we can make the logo for your YouTube channel and also the intro for your YouTube channel. So friends, if you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.